Good morning, people. Dr. Michael here. Hypochlorous test. We actually have a System Sure Plus. It is an ATP meter that measures sterilization. We have had a couple people ask for different stuff, and I've been meaning to do this. So we've got these little pens, and what we do is we make a swab, and we just kind of check a surface. And this just tells us how clean it is. This has not been cleaned since last night's dinner, so we'll just see what happened. Squeeze it in there. You shake it up.
What are you shaking up?
This is the solution to
That comes
determine
with
it. You put it in here. You close the lid, and you hit OK.
Can you
And
show it?
allegedly in 15 seconds, we'll
Can you show it?
know what we got. Whew, 2,800. There's some gunk on there, lots of bacterial activity. Yuck.
Well, we didn't eat there last night.
No, it's been sitting
We ate
there.
out.
We did eat out. That's true.
So that's 2 days.
Lord only knows. All right, so I am going to spray this section here with hypochlorous acid. Everybody knows we have a machine that we use on a regular basis here for electrolyte reduced water, and this is one of the things that you get to use with it. Let's just see what this does. It says wait about 30 seconds. And so hypochlorous acid is an approved sterilant back in 2009. Let me move your stuff. Somebody's dancing and jamming. So I'm just curious as to what this will do, because that was a good high number. I was probably not doing this test. I didn't expect to get quite that good. So I have just washed down my counter with hypochlorous acid from our water machine. There we go. Oh, I got 2 points. Let's clean it up. Hey, golly. Let's just see what we get now.
So is each of those a swab?
Yep. Some break it and squeeze it and shake it and spin it and twist it. And hit start. Dun 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 dun. It went down to 1.
Holy shit.
Oh my God. I was hoping to get less than 30. I am not lying. Ain't no way. I'm redoing that.
Show it again.
Yeah, that's actually went down to
1.
under 1.
Holy.
So
I'm really trying not to hold my tongue right now.
yeah, that's like surgical grade.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh.
God.
Wow.